Hello, everyone. Welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Musetex Y6 Gaming C case. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Striking visual design. The Musetex Y6 stands out with its sleek white exterior, offering a refreshing contrast to the usual black cases seen on the market. This case includes 270 dual-tempered glass panels, providing a clear and wide view of your internal components, perfect for showing off your RGB lighting and high-end parts. Efficient cooling system. Equipped with 6 pre-installed PWM RGB fans, the Y6 ensures exceptional airflow and cooling capabilities. Its side fans use an anti-vortex blade design to enhance airflow, while the speed-adjustable feature allows for customized cooling setups through motherboard software. This level of cooling is designed to keep your system running smoothly, even under heavy gaming or multitasking loads. Spacious interior layout. The internal design of the Y6 offers ample space for various components. It supports GPUs up to 400 mm in length, CPU coolers up to 176 mm in height, and 360 mm liquid coolers mounted at the top. This compatibility makes it suitable for a range of high-performance builds, giving users plenty of options for powerful hardware configurations. High-speed I/O interfaces. The Y6 comes with USB 3.2/Type-C and USB 3.0 ports on the front panel, ensuring fast connectivity for external devices. This feature is ideal for users who frequently transfer large files, reducing wait times and enhancing overall convenience. Durable construction with tempered glass panels. Beyond visual appeal, the tempered glass panels are highly durable, offering scratch resistance and sound insulation. The hardiness of the glass minimizes the risk of damage and provides a quieter environment for both gaming and work. User-friendly design. The Musetex Y6 includes magnetic dust filters on both the top and bottom, which make it easy to keep the interior clean and free from dust buildup. These filters can be easily removed and cleaned, helping maintain optimal airflow and hardware longevity. Additionally, the case has strategically placed side panel openings that enable more effective cooling. Pros. Stunning visual design. The Y6's unique white exterior and dual-tempered glass panels provide a modern, open view that complements RGB setups beautifully. The case design is ideal for those who want to showcase their internal hardware, adding a stylish aesthetic to any gaming station. High cooling efficiency. With 6 PWM RGB fans pre-installed, the Y6 excels in keeping temperatures low, especially when paired with high-performance components. The anti-vortex blade design and speed-adjustable fans allow for effective cooling customization, which helps in extending the lifespan of the system. Spacious for high-end components. Supporting GPUs up to 400 mm, 176 mm CPU coolers, and 360 mm liquid coolers, the Y6 is highly versatile. It fits most mainstream components and offers ample space, which is essential for those building powerful gaming rigs without compromising on compatibility or airflow. High-speed connectivity. The USB 3.2/Type-C and USB 3.0 ports provide fast data transfer options for users who often connect external devices. This feature makes the Y6 convenient for gamers or professionals who need quick access to peripherals. Durable and quiet. Tempered glass panels add durability and offer sound insulation, creating a quieter environment for gaming or work. The Y6's solid construction protects the internal components, making it a long-lasting choice for users. Cons: cooling noise levels. While the Y6 provides excellent cooling, its fans can produce noticeable noise, especially when operating at high speeds. For users who prefer a quieter setup, this may be a minor drawback, particularly during intense gaming sessions where fan noise can become more prominent. Limited black color option. While the white color of the Y6 is striking, some users may prefer a black option to match their current setups or personal preferences. The absence of a black variant might limit choices for those wanting a more traditional or cohesive color scheme. The Musetex Y6 gaming PC case delivers a powerful blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it ideal for gamers and tech enthusiasts looking to build a visually stunning, high-performance setup. Its spacious layout, cooling capabilities, and high-speed connectivity make it suitable for a range of hardware and gaming needs, while the magnetic dust filters make maintenance easy. If you can handle a bit of fan noise and prefer a white case design, the Y6 might just be the best option for your next gaming rig. Check the link in the description to get the best price for the Musetex Y6 gaming PC case. Don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more reviews, and stay tuned for our next video.